Step into the future of aviation with cutting-edge flying machines that are redefining the skies. From eVTOLs to revolutionary designs, witness the next generation of air travel like never before. Dornier Starr, a modern flying boat. The Dornier Starr is a cutting-edge flying boat that combines modern technology with the legacy of Dornier Aviation. Powered by twin Pratt & Whitney PT6A112 engines, it offers smooth and efficient flights. These engines help reduce water spray, providing a stable flying experience. The Star's body is made from fiberglass composite. This gives it extra strength and resistance to corrosion, making it perfect for tough marine environments. It's built to last and handle the harshest conditions. Designed for versatility, the Dornier Starr can carry up to 12 passengers. This makes it ideal for both private and commercial use. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Starr can meet your needs. Thanks to its low vertical center of gravity and special sponson design, the Starr offers incredible stability on water. This ensures smooth takeoffs and landings, even in challenging conditions. The Star's future upgrades are equally impressive. It will soon include an autopilot system and a modern glass cockpit. These features will enhance the flying experience, making it even easier to control. With its speed, durability, and functionality, the Dornier Starr is a top choice for anyone involved in amphibious aviation. It remains a favorite among both enthusiasts and professionals. Cubcrafters X Cub. The Cubcrafters X Cub is a modern bush plane designed to offer the perfect balance of performance and comfort. It's built to handle the toughest conditions while ensuring a smooth, enjoyable flying experience. One of its standout features is its remarkable short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. Whether you're flying into a small airstrip or a rugged backcountry area, the X Cub makes it look easy. With a useful load of nearly 1,100 pounds, it can carry plenty of gear, making it perfect for a variety of missions, from hunting trips to camping excursions. Inside the cockpit, the experience is both intuitive and comfortable. The controls are smooth, and the ergonomics are designed to reduce pilot fatigue, so you can focus on the flight ahead. It's a plane that offers both ease and excitement in the air. The X Cub is also highly versatile when it comes to landing gear options. You can choose from tailwheel gear or floats, depending on the terrain you'll be flying over. This flexibility means you can confidently fly into a wide range of environments, whether it's a grassy field or a lake. For navigation, the X Cub comes equipped with the advanced Garmin G3X Avionics suite. This system includes features like terrain alerting, synthetic vision, and a dual-axis autopilot. These tools enhance safety and make flying easier, even in challenging conditions. With a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour and a range of 800 miles, the X Cub is built for adventure. It's a reliable, high-performance aircraft that gives pilots the comfort they need to explore the skies with confidence. Xpeng Voyager X2, the future of personal air travel. The Xpeng Voyager X2 is a revolutionary fifth-generation autonomous electric vehicle. It's designed as a multicopter, transforming urban air mobility. This cutting-edge vehicle is built for 2 passengers, offering enough space for your luggage. Perfect for short trips, the X2 is both practical and exciting. The frame is made of sleek carbon fiber composites, giving it a modern look. It also has an aviation-grade aluminum structure, making it both durable and strong. The X2 is powered by 8 electric motors and propellers. This setup allows it to reach a top speed of 81 miles per hour. It can stay in the air for up to 35 minutes on a single charge. Safety is a key priority in the design. The X2 features distributed electric propulsion, which helps keep the flight smooth and safe. It also has an autonomous landing system, ensuring that it lands automatically if needed. Additionally, the X2 comes with an emergency ballistic parachute for extra peace of mind. Despite its advanced technology, the X2 is compact. It can fit into a standard garage or parking space, making it an easy addition to any home. The Xpeng Voyager X2 is more than just a flying vehicle. It's paving the way for the future of aerial transportation, offering a glimpse of the new era in personal flight. Starr Bumble B2. The Starr Bumble B2, designed by Robert H. Starr, is known as the world's smallest biplane. Starr created it to break the record set by his first plane, the Bumble BI. This aircraft is extremely compact, with wings that have a negative stagger and a cantilevered design. It's made from welded steel tubing and plywood, which makes it lightweight yet strong. The Bumble B2 is powered by a Continental C85 engine, which gives it a top speed of 190 miles per hour. It can also climb at a rate of 4,500 feet per minute. One of the plane's most impressive features is its design. The wings are equipped with flaps and ailerons, which improve lift and make the plane easier to maneuver. The Bumble B2 isn't just small, it's a true marvel of engineering, showing off the limits of aviation design. Aeronex Flying Gondola. The Aeronex Flying Gondola is a revolutionary hybrid electric aircraft. It combines cutting-edge design with advanced technology. This unique vehicle features forward and rear tilting wings. Each wing is equipped with 4 propellers. These wings provide the perfect angles for takeoff, turbulence, and landing. This ensures smooth performance at all stages of flight. The gondola is controlled by proprietary software. It stabilizes the fuselage, reducing any unwanted swaying. This makes the ride much more comfortable for passengers. It's designed for solo travel, making it perfect for personal use. The Aeronex Flying Gondola comes with an autonomous piloting system. This means no need for a human pilot. Passengers can enjoy stunning panoramic views from the large side, top, and forward windows. Safety is a top priority. The gondola features distributed electric propulsion. This system ensures safe landings, even if multiple propellers were to fail during flight. The Aeronex Flying Gondola is an exciting leap toward the future of personal air travel. It combines safety, innovation, and an incredible flying experience into one sleek, futuristic package. Ehang. Revolutionizing transportation with autonomous aerial vehicles. Ehang is changing the future of transportation with its autonomous aerial vehicles. Their vision is to create a system similar to an underground bus network. It would have centralized oversight and specific routes between set points. Safety is a top priority for Ehang's autonomous vehicles. These vehicles are designed with multiple backup systems. They feature power redundancy, fully autonomous operations, and backup systems for flight control, communications, and navigation. Interestingly, Ehang's models suggest that flying in autonomous aerial vehicles could be more cost-effective than traditional taxi rides. This could make it a profitable option for operators. While most discussions focus on urban applications, Ehang also sees great potential in non-urban areas. Their vehicles could replace services provided by helicopters in various sectors. Ehang's vision is transformative. In the near future, their autonomous aerial vehicles might become an essential part of our daily lives. Trixy Aviation G42R. The Trixy Aviation G42R is a sleek, Austrian autogyro designed for top performance and safety. It features a tandem enclosed cockpit that comfortably seats 2 passengers. This aircraft is powered by either a Rotax 912S engine or the optional Power UL 260Y engine. Both provide 100 horsepower, 75 kilowatts, giving the G42R plenty of power for smooth flying. The autogyro's aluminum rotor has a diameter of 8.4 meters, ensuring a stable and reliable flight. The rotor is built to last with a 1,500-hour time between overhauls. Weighing in at 450 kilograms, the G42R has a fuel capacity of 35 liters. It can reach a maximum speed of 115 miles per hour and has a service ceiling of 4,570 meters. Safety is a top priority. The G42R is equipped with advanced anti-explosion fuel tank technology. The aircraft's strong construction features a stainless steel tube frame and a carbon fiber cockpit, ensuring durability and safety. With its performance, safety, and versatility, the G42R is perfect for both leisure and practical flying. Jetoptera. A revolution in flying technology. Jetoptera is an innovative firm focused on creating better propeller systems for flying. Their cutting-edge technology introduces a new way to travel, combining efficiency, speed, and safety. At the heart of Jetoptera's system is the fluidic propulsive technology. This technology offers several key advantages over traditional propulsion systems. Unlike conventional propellers or engines, Jetoptera's fluidic propulsion system is smaller, quicker, and quieter. It's also more affordable and simpler to maintain. One of the biggest benefits is its ability to enable vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. This makes Jetoptera's aircraft ideal for a wide range of uses. Think about personal air taxis, logistics, search and rescue, or emergency medical services. These aircraft can land and take off in tight spaces, offering a major advantage in urban environments and remote locations. Compared to compact turbojets, Jetoptera's system is significantly more efficient. It improves efficiency by 10% while cutting fuel consumption by 50%. The technology also eliminates rotating parts, such as propellers, leading to safer and quieter operation. Jetoptera's aircraft can even outperform many current VTOL planes. They are capable of reaching higher speeds and covering greater distances, making them a true competitor in the future of aviation. With Jetoptera, the sky is the limit. Samson Sky Switchblade. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a groundbreaking vehicle. It's a three-wheeled machine that can switch between a street-legal car and a high-performance airplane. In driving mode, it can reach speeds of up to 125 miles per hour. This offers an exciting and dynamic driving experience. When it's time to take off, the Switchblade can transition into flight mode in just 3 minutes. During this time, its wings and tail deploy, transforming the vehicle into an airplane. Once in flight mode, the Switchblade can reach a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour and an altitude of 13,000 feet. This vehicle uses a hybrid power system. It runs on regular 91-octane fuel and can travel up to 500 miles on a single tank. Safety features include a whole vehicle parachute, disc brakes, and optional autopilot. The price starts at $170,000. However, the Switchblade is classified as an experimental and home-built aircraft. This means owners must complete 51% of the assembly themselves. The Switchblade is an innovative leap in personal transportation. It combines the best of both automotive and aviation technologies. Bell 360 Invictus, the future of attack reconnaissance. The Bell 360 Invictus is designed for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program. It stands out with exceptional maneuverability, speed, and agility. This makes it ideal for both urban and rugged terrains. Equipped with a 20mm cannon, the Invictus is ready for any combat scenario. It also has an internal payload bay for modular launchers, ensuring versatility in missions. The aircraft is built with modern manufacturing processes, ensuring affordability and long-term reliability. It features an integrated supplemental power unit to boost performance and a fly-by-wire system for precise control. The Bell 360 Invictus is ready to change the way attack reconnaissance missions are carried out. With its unbeatable capabilities, it will provide unmatched readiness and effectiveness in any combat situation. Lilium Jet, innovative sustainable high-speed air. The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary creation by Lilium, a company focused on transforming air mobility. This electric vertical takeoff and landing plane, or eVTOL, is designed to change how we think about city transportation. Unlike traditional planes, the Lilium Jet is environmentally friendly. It runs on electric power, significantly reducing carbon emissions and paving the way for sustainable aviation. One of its standout features is its compact and slim design. This makes it compatible with existing infrastructure, like heliports. Unlike large airports or terminals, it doesn't need much space, making it easier to integrate into urban environments. To bring this cutting-edge technology to life, Lilium has actively secured funding. One example is their $114 million capital round, which highlights the scale of investment in this state-of-the-art innovation. While the exact price of the Lilium Jet hasn't been made public, the company's focus on innovation and sustainability speaks volumes about its goals. By introducing the Lilium Jet, they are committed to decarbonizing aviation and reshaping air travel for a greener future. The Lilium Jet is more than just a plane. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable high-speed air mobility. Flying hotels. The concept of a nuclear-powered sky hotel. The Sky Hotel, also known as the Sky Cruise, is a futuristic idea that blends luxury with technology. Though it's not yet a reality, its concept is truly captivating. Designed by Tony H. and visualized by Hashim Al-Ghai, it imagines a massive aircraft capable of carrying over 500 passengers. This colossal flying hotel would be powered by 20 nuclear fusion engines, offering a clean and efficient energy source. The concept draws inspiration from luxury cruise ships, providing an array of amenities such as restaurants, bars, shops, swimming pools, theaters, and even a wedding chapel. One of the most impressive features of the Sky Hotel is its panoramic decks. These decks would allow passengers to enjoy breathtaking views of Earth from above. The idea of living in the sky, surrounded by luxury, is both thrilling and mesmerizing. However, there are still many obstacles to overcome before this concept becomes a reality. One of the biggest concerns is safety. The presence of a nuclear reactor on board raises questions about how to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Additionally, the fusion technology needed to power the Sky Hotel is still uncertain. While fusion holds great promise, it's not yet fully developed or tested. There are also the challenges of high costs and strict regulations within the aviation industry that must be addressed. Despite these hurdles, the concept of a nuclear-powered Sky Hotel continues to captivate the imagination. It offers a vision of what the future of air travel could look like: luxurious, sustainable, and out of this world. J-6 Fregata. The J-6 Fregata is known as one of the safest aircraft in aviation. It has a remarkable lift-to-drag ratio of up to 24. This ratio helps the plane maintain efficiency and stability in the air. Designed as a single-seat aircraft, the J-6 Fregata focuses on being economical. It is lightweight, compact, and has low fuel consumption, making it affordable to operate. The aircraft's airframe is made from composite materials. This gives it the durability of a plane while also offering the efficiency of a glider. Because of this, the J-6 is versatile and can be used for many different purposes. It is perfect for aviation training. New pilots can easily learn on the J-6. The plane is also great for long-distance tours. It is reliable and efficient for commercial applications, such as patrols. The J-6 is powered by a dependable Honda engine. This engine features direct fuel injection, which improves fuel efficiency. It also comes with a sophisticated diagnostic system to help monitor the aircraft's performance. Overall, the J-6 Fregata is a great choice for pilots. It offers excellent performance and safety, making it ideal for various aviation needs.